Hello everybody, welcome back to Triple V Vintage Vagabond Vends. Today I'm excited, we got another unboxing. So today what we have is a box of brooches. We got this from Goodwill. There is 2.5 pounds of brooches in here, and we paid $40. That does include the shipping, so this is exciting. So we are going to go ahead and get this box open. While I'm opening it up, don't forget to subscribe if you definitely like unboxings, live sales, thrifting. Definitely subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Comment below. So we got a box full of goodies here. Look at this bag full. What do we got here? This is the Floral Collection Bearwear, Boyd's Bear brooch. And it is marked 26134 on the back. Very cool. Bears and hairs you can trust. So the Floral Collection. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is a lady playing golf. She is golfing. And this is marked Fort. F-O-R-T. Cool, cool. What is this? So we got another gold tone brooch. Very cool looking. This one is marked GJD. GJD. So, I'm going to have Mama Sue show you all the rest. So, nice surprise. We're going to switch it up, but I'm going to have her show you all the rest of the bag through the light box. That way you guys can see it a little bit more clearer, and she'll be.
Here we have an oriental vase with flowers. This one is signed JJ. JJ is short for Jonette Jewelry. A leopard, black enamel spots, rhinestone eyes. This one is also a pendant and is signed Park Lane. Here we have a large round circle, wavy flower. This one is signed upside down, Sarah Coventry. Silver. This one is silver tone with a copper finish. It is a pumpkin. Also a pendant, and is signed Best. Here we have a tennis racket with a faux pearl ball, gold tone metal, and this one is signed Avon. An angel holding a rose flower, enamel with a faux pearl in the middle of the rose. And this one is signed KC. Christmas bells, silver tone metal and enamel. There is some wear on the enameling. This one is signed Jerry's. Here's a heart with a faux pearl. It's like a ribbon in the shape of a heart. This is signed Boutique. Gold tone metal. Looks like a hacienda house with a lizard. And this is signed JJ 1988. have a spiral shape, gold tone metal. And this one also is signed JJ 1988. Gold tone buildings, looks like skyscrapers. Also a pendant. And this one is signed, if I can get it in there, Park Lane. Then we have this, looks like a gold nugget cluster. Lapel pin. It is signed Swank. We have another ribbon, swishes around, and this one is signed upside down again, JJ, Jonette Jewelry. We have a little doggy, has rhinestone eyes, looks kind of like a bulldog. That is signed Nemo. There's a 1-cent bubblegum machine. Gold tone metal and has clear plastic on it. And this one is signed AJC. Next is an enamel fish. Nice bright enameling. Has some discoloration on the back though. It is silver tone metal and signed MJ. And more buildings. And this is signed JJ 1988 again. Next we have an angel holding a star. It's made of porcelain and it is signed Lennox. Here we have a Noah's Ark. Got animals, lions, elephants, zebras, giraffes, hippos, and this ark is signed AJC. Here we have some rope, looks like 4 ropes twined, connected together in a round circle, and this one is signed Monet. Another round circle, the little open work, and this one is signed LCI, which stands for Liz Claiborne. And we have a leaf. It's a pretty long one. It's hard to even get it all in there. And this leaf is signed Trifari. And we have a little snowman. He's carrying a broom. Enamel. Very discolored. I believe it says Sarah Coventry, but he's in pretty bad shape. And we have an eagle. It says E pluribus unum. So American eagle. And this is signed, I'm not making it out. Oh, it's over there. Sarah Coventry. Next we have a Christmas moose. I know some people have been requesting Christmas brooches. Here is Merry Christmas moose. Gold tone metal. And it is signed JJ. Next we have a round ribbon with clear crystal rhinestones. And this one is signed C. Dior, which is Christian Dior. So that's a very good one. Next we have another Christmas one. It is a reindeer. The enamel rhinestones. And this one is signed Jerry's. And we have a flower, gold tone metal. Does have some wear on this one. This one is signed Sarah Coventry, right in the center. This one's a pretty nice one. Gold tone metal, black cabochons. And this one is signed, can't make it. This one is signed Trifari. So that's another pretty decent one. Next we have another winter theme one. A snowman, man and lady hugging each other. Silver tone, also a pendant. And it is signed Best. We have a silver tone rose, nice long stem rose. And this is signed Giovanni. Another rose with a little filigree leaf, gold tone metal. And this one is signed Sarah Cove, which is Sarah Coventry. There's a small with 3 flowers, filigree work around the outside. This is enamel and pearl, gold plated. And it is signed Cremettes. It is signed Cremettes on the bar. A lot of times they get missed because it's so small, such small writing that it's hard to see, but that is Cremettes. Then we have a bird, silver tone, open work on the wings. And this one is signed Sarah Coventry. We have a gold tone bar. And this one is signed Trifari, however it's missing the wheel on the right there, so it is broken. Here we have an angel. She has some Aurora Borealis crystal rhinestones. And this one is signed AAI. Next we have a nice rose flower. Has faux pearl dangles, Aurora Borealis crystal rhinestones. This one is signed Avon. That one's a pretty good one. Here we have an umbrella with lucite flowers and a rhinestone. And this one is signed Monet. little bird holding a rhinestone heart. And this one is also signed Monet. We have a duck with an umbrella. And this one is signed Ultra Crafts. Small leaf or feather with clear pave rhinestones. It is gold tone. Let's see here. It's upside down. Sorry about that. And this is signed Carol Lee. And we have another oval shape with red and yellow cabs and red and clear rhinestones. This one is signed LC for Liz Claiborne. There's another little leaf or feather, just gold tone metal. And this one is signed Sarah Coventry. Gold tone and silver tone, Noah's Ark. We have lions and elephants, horses, giraffes, looks like camels. And this one is signed AJC. We have a little puppy dog in a Christmas stocking. Gold tone metal and enamel. This one is signed Jerry's. Dragonfly has enamel wings and different color rhinestones down its body. This one is signed Monet. Nice, what I'm going to call a star flower. Has a dome shape, red enamel, and faux pearl cabochon in the center. And this one is signed Monet. Next we have a little dolphin. Oop. I don't break them. It has blue and green enameling, clear rhinestones, it's gold tone. It is signed. Not sure if you could see that or not. It is signed A&S, which stands for Atwood Sawyer. Then we have another little ribbon. It's two-tone, gold tone and silver tone. And this one is signed Napier. Little swan. It's like a milky white plastic with gold tone wings. And this one is signed Avon. Then we have an angel with a horn and a snowflake, it looks like. And this is a lapel pin. And it is signed Camco. Gold tone sailboat. And this one is signed D. Like a cursive D, and that is actually Dane Crafts. And then the last one, we have a Christmas sled full of presents. It's gold tone with enamel and red and green rhinestones. And this one is marked Monet. So we had a total of 53 pins, and we paid $40, I believe. So that's less than $1 a piece.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Mama Sue showing you finally an unboxing. So something that she's good at, she loves the brooches, as do I, but she knows a little bit more about them. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you again for joining us today. Hope to see you all next time. And again, don't forget to hit that thumbs up on your way out and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you all next time. Have a great day.